Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by using what's already available. Enable your browser's pop-up blocker and update to the latest release. Once done, install a trusted adblock extension and restart the browser. Make sure to close unrelated tabs and signs in that spawn pop-ups. You'll see immediate reduction because browsers and extensions filter the scripts that create pop-ups. Keep these prerequisites active while you move to targeted filtering and cleanup steps next. Next, you inspect persistent sources. Run a full malware scan with an up-to-date anti-malware tool to remove agents that force pop-ups. Then, review site permissions in settings and revoke pop-up or notification access for offending domains. Once done, clear cookies and cache so tracked redirectors lose hold, and disable or remove any unfamiliar extensions. These steps stop background scripts and unwanted redirects. They also reduce the chance pop-ups return when you revisit sites. Finally, lock down settings. Enable strict blocking or use a clean browser profile for risky browsing. You can test effectiveness by visiting a previously offending site in incognito to verify pop-ups are gone. If pop-ups persist, reset the browser to default settings and reinstall the browser or extension. That removes hidden configuration changes. One troubleshooting tip: if a specific site still pops, whitelist carefully or block it entirely. Persistent pop-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.